assurance. Only you are risen. Only you are risen. Source of my rain. Only you are risen. Only you, only you. Only you are risen. God of my life. Only you are risen. Holy you, holy you, the God of Zion. Holy you are risen. Holy you are risen. God of Zion, the God who shines from Zion. Holy you are risen. Holy you, holy you. The God of Zion, the God who shines from Zion, He is an eloquent speaker. Holy you, love yourself. The voice of the Lord, this is the voice of my God. He makes the lightning flashes that echoes in my ear.